Now, once you've taken a decision of taking that health insurance, if you are having second thoughts because you feel that, oh, my employer is providing me with a health insurance, why should I go and opt for my own insurance cover? Go right now, click on the link in the description below and register for our course Namaste Money. Well, the first and the basic reason is what happens when you change your jobs and you're in between your jobs and you get sick then. If you lose your job, or in case your employer decides to change certain policies and payment structures in that they decide to let go of their health insurance, then you would be at the receiving end of not having health insurance. And if you decide to have a health insurance later in your life, say post-retirement, then first your pre-existing diseases will not be covered. You would have to have a waiting period of 36 months to 48 months, and if any kind of health emergency arises in that situation, at that point of time you would be very helpless. And many times people don't realize that a lot of employers keep changing their policies. In such a situation, they could just decide to have a co-pay in the health insurance, where even if your employer provides for health insurance, you have to pay 20% to 30% of the hospital bills from your side. So it is extremely important to have your own health insurance policy even where your employer has one. As we just discussed, having your own health insurance is even more important in a situation where you may decide to change your jobs or take a break from that work for that year. You may never know that if health emergency comes then you are at a complete loss. So having health insurance is a must. We hope that you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed it creating for you. So what are you waiting for? Go right now. Click on the link in the description below and register for our course Namaste Money, which is an online course on A to Z of personal finance. You will learn everything from your asset classes to how to invest in them and make your own financial plan. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for freshly brewed content from Wealth Cafe. Lastly, don't forget, save hard and invest smart.